Take it we're going to do this one next.
Yeah, we've got a plethora of camper vans here, haven't we?
We've got a lot of them as well.
We've got the Nouse over there.
Yep.
We've got the little sloop over there.
John B.
It's an Autohaus.
Good conversion.
Very good conversion. It's a VW. It's a T5, right? It is on a private plate. So it's a what year do you think that is?
14, 15.
14. Well done.
Yeah.
Right, 100,000 miles. It's been well serviced. Has been well serviced actually. Fresh water capacity.
10 litres.
30. Wastewater.
20.
0.
Yeah, not got one. I didn't think it'd have a water tank actually.
No, I didn't. Yeah, 30 litres.
Usually have a 10 litre container on it sink.
Yeah, it's 4.89 metres long, Cav. Okay, and that can be replaced in 2022. Right, and it's 3,000 kilograms. Right, it's also automatic DSG.
Oh.
So we've got the little roof on top.
Yep.
Yeah. What do you think? It wants a wash, doesn't it?
It does want a wash, doesn't it?
I'm just going to go straight in there, Kev. Not messing around.
Yeah.
Not messy. You ready?
Yep. Well, that's different.
That's it.
2 single seats.
You got your, is it boom you call it?
Boom arm tables.
Yeah. Just describe the seats there.
Yeah. Nice leather upholstery. These will make 2 single beds.
Hello!
So you're going to make 2 singles out of this?
We are we?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Lever on this side here. Sweep.
Hang on, I'm going to have to take this off, aren't I?
Yeah.
Let's just get this off. Right.
Lever here on this side, Jason.
Just hang on. You're very demanding today.
Yeah. Lean over. Leave it there. And then that'll swing over there.
You're going to have to push the seat forward, aren't you?
You
Will
are.
the seat swivel?
Yeah. Right, there you go. Right, now you're coping.
I'm coping. How can I cope with you?
Now you're alright, now you're cooking on this.
I'm stuck now.
Well, get outside. Come on. You shake like a man with no arms. Go on.
What's happening now then?
That back will come down now.
How's that come down? I should never started this, Kev. It's your fault. Oh, hang on.
Hey,
That's got to go back, hasn't it?
yeah, your driver's seat's got to go back.
Right, okay. You get the idea, don't you?
Yeah, yeah. And the same on this side. So you get
Yeah.
2 single beds.
Yeah, I'm going to have to pull that. That comes down, doesn't it?
Yes.
So, what's that? I'm sussing it now, Kev. That goes down, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see it go further back.
Yeah. So the seat. It's further back.
Yeah.
I need to lie down after that.
Don't need to go to the gym now, do you?
No. Same thing with that one.
Same
isn't
with
it?
this one. So you got 2 singles.
Yeah.
As we said, it's automatic, yeah? Yep, automatic.
Got an outside shower, I think. Yeah?
Should I come round the back? Would it be easier to come
Oh, I
round the
don't
back
know.
than try and squeeze in here? Yeah, it's easier to come round here.
No, you're there, are you?
I mean, to prove it, I've arrived.
Did you do the cab? You haven't done...
No, I've not done the camper.
Oh.
It's your standard Volkswagen Camper. It's
Oh, it's high
automatic.
up here, isn't it?
Yeah, high top.
Oh, batteries, leisure batteries. Oh, it isn't. Got leisure. Hang on. Lights.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I'll tell you what there is. Just pass me that over. Got Propex heating system. See it?
Yep.
Yeah. Loads of storage you can have.
And is that an oven grill?
Hang on, I'm taking the storage. Loads of storage. Skylight. Storage as well, Kev.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where we coming to? Oh, little diddy storage.
We've got a fridge, haven't we?
I don't know. Fridge. Little compressor fridge, Dometic.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's good, isn't it? Now we've got the cupboard door
Yeah, I
over.
like that.
Yeah, I like
There's 230 up here. I'll show you. Got 230 up there as well.
more storage there.
Yeah. Storage.
More storage.
I'm going to say it again.
More storage.
What's this, Kev? Oh, look at this. Hang on. Just like that. Yeah. Look what I've got there.
Got a loo. A loo with a view.
A loo with a view. That's alright, isn't it?
You sit on the throne and have by the view.
I'm quite impressed with that.
I knew I got that because of the cassette. Is it?
Yeah. About 20 grand, this is something like that, over 20 grand, something along the lines. Yeah, you've got a grill and an oven, Kev.
Yeah.
Grill oven.
2-burner hob, yeah.
Have a look.
Yep.
2-burner hob. Yeah.
Sink.
Sink. It's on the cold water by the looks of it.
Yeah.
And then more storage again. What have you got out there?
Out here we've got outside shower.
Yeah, oh look at this here.
Yeah.
Gas store.
Yeah. So it's underslung gas.
Fresh water, there's your fresh water.
Yeah.
Cassette toilet.
They always do that on the Autohaus. Have the fresh water there.
Do they?
Mm.
Where's our oh, it's there, Kev. Gas line.
Yeah.
It's there, see it?
Yeah.
Oh, I've got awnings this side. Look. Do you want to do the cab? You best. Yeah, you do the cab and I'll put this table back
Yeah,
in.
because we've got two side doors, you see, so you...
Yeah.
Right, so it's your standard VW, and we've got a Kenwood media pack, automatic, proper full automatic, yeah. Yeah, it's
Got a little media pack there as well.
yeah, that's what I say. Yeah, Kenwood media pack.
That's been put in extra. As
Yeah,
well.
it has. Yeah, it's not standard. I like the upholstery as well. You got your electric
Yeah, it's
windows,
rugged, isn't it?
electric windows, electric mirror.
Yeah. So voice and everything on it. Yeah. That's been put in extra, surely, Kev.
Kenwood, yeah, definitely.
Must have done. There's your automatic.
Yeah.
Go forever, these Volkswagens do, don't they?
Yeah, yeah.
Let me just go in there. So, what have we got, Kev? We've got 2 single beds.
Yep.
Which I actually made look hard. We've got a grill and an oven.
Yeah.
We've got the hobs. We've got heating with a Propex heater. We've got
Underslung gas.
underslung gas as well. We've got the higher top so we can stand up in it.
Yeah.
We've got the toilet.
Yeah.
It's offering quite a bit, this van
Got
is.
4 belted seats, so it's an everyday drive.
Yeah, yeah, good shout. Made properly as well. It feels well
I
made.
prefer this to the rock and roll bed.
Yeah, I would. Yeah, I prefer this one. It's done by Autohaus. Autohaus. And it sounds daft, so I might be thinking clutching at straw or something. I do like the idea of the 2 doors.
Yeah.
Don't you?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, quite impressive. So, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. If you're looking to sell your motorhome, the motorhomeman.co.uk. WhatsApp us or send a message. And we also sell motorhomes as well, Kev.
And we do finance.
Yeah, with Pegasus.
Pegasus finance, yeah.
We do that as well. There you go. Nice little van in the budget range.
Yeah.
So, remember budget range used to be 10 grand. Not anymore, is it?
No.
No, it isn't.
Mind you, when your dad first started, everything was 10 grand.
Yeah, everything 9995.
Yeah, they're all
9995.
old Talbots.
Yeah.
I
This
still like the shape of the front of them old Talbots.
I know. This is a serious camper, mate.
Yeah.
A serious camper. It's 2014. The plate doesn't give it justice either,
No.
to be honest, but this is a nice van. So, if you're looking for a nice starter camper van, you can't look at any more than made by a good company as well.
Yeah.
Right, on that note, Kev, see you later.
See you later.